5, 6, grab your crucifix. 7, 8, gonna stay up late. 9, 10, never sleep.
But I thought it was just another nightmare, like the one I had the night before. There was this guy. He had knives for fingers.
You think you was gonna get away from me?
What?
I'm your boyfriend now, Nancy.
Come to Freddy.
I just asked you to do one thing. Just stay awake and watch me. Just wake me up if it looked like I was having a bad dream. And what did you do? You shit. You fell asleep.
I had a heart-on this morning when I woke up, Tina. Had your name written all over it.
There's 4 letters in my name, Rod. How could there be room on your joint for 4 letters?
I know you're there, Freddy.
I'm here.
This is just a dream. You're not alive. This whole thing is just a dream. Kruger! I'm here! I'm gonna go and look for somebody. And I want you to stand like a sort of a guard, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Now you can't mess up. A lot might depend on this.
But he can't get you now. He's dead, honey, because Mommy killed him.
Where's your pass? Screw your pass.
Hey, Nancy. No running in the hallway.
I'm gonna split you in two.
This is God.
Glenn! Wake up! Are you there?
I'm here.
What the hell are dreams, anyway?
Mysteries, incredible body hocus pocus.
The truth is, we still don't know what they are or where they come from.
You want to know who Fred Krueger was? He was a filthy child murderer who killed at least 20 kids in the neighborhood. Kids we all knew.
No. You die.